Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is day 26, telling you guys what happened today. Today was a normal regular school day. Uh, woke up in the morning and then got up ready. Actually, the morning was spent like I got half an hour before leaving for school because I wake up early these days. And then guess what? When I reached the school, I find out that today the test is not there because on the group it was said it is going to be on 9th of June. But but it's Monday and we don't have class tests on Monday. We have class tests on Tuesday. So the class test is going to be tomorrow. That's 10th of June. As we are talking, it's actually technically 10th of June right now. But yeah, get the gist of it, right? So right now I'm filling up the bag for tomorrow's day. And what have we got on our schedule? We've got biology, we've got English, we've got Marathi functional, we've got physics, we've got Hindi, SST, mathematics, and maths. That's an ugly day. It does not look very visually pleasing, to be really honest. So it's also kind of getting like a fill up the bag with me kind of session. Okay, so what happened today? Actually, I went into school and then just the regular classes, you chattering with the friends, nothing more than that. Um, Came to the tuition and we are doing acids and bases in the tuition right now, and so that is being done at the moment. Uh, as we have got Hindu with me, uh, and I guess we have done with Sparsh. But I don't know which book should be carried, so I'm gonna carry Sparsh because let's be on the safer side. And well, yeah. So what am I doing right now? Well, at the moment, I'm filling the bag, filling up my backpack for tomorrow. I'm packing my bag. But apart from that, I'm actually completing this pending work for mathematics, which I don't want to do, but I'm doing it because I told my mathematics teacher that at any cost tomorrow I'm gonna have a complete notebook in hand and we are gonna check it. So, to be honest with my word, I gotta do it even if I don't want to. It's actually mind map for chapter number 3, that's pairs of linear equations. Like I've done most of it. Actually, I had a PE lecture today at the end of the day, but then I was like, okay, if I play right now, and it was really sunny. It was really sunny, and if I play right now, then I'm probably going to be sleepy in the tuition, which I was, despite of the fact that I spent the afternoon 40 minutes in completing my maths work. But yeah, still, it's hectic in to be in class 10, and plus having a syllabus, like having truckloads of syllabus to complete, it's even worse. Like for example, I don't like to do this, but say if you can see over here, all this, it's a syllabus for class 10. Yeah, all of this. So we have got English, Hindi, we've got more Hindi, we've got more English, more Hindi, we've got English, grammar, and then we've got all this is SST, all that you can see in orange color. This is science over here, this is mathematics over here, this is my school timetable over here. So yeah, that's basically how class 10th is going. This is all that I gotta complete by this date that you can see over here, and for that I got to study 2 hours a day, and that's not being possible because of the fact that when I reach home I am just so freaking exhausted that I need to crash out. This, like, okay, you gotta have a limit for being a person, like despite of the fact how, no matter how hardworking you are, you gotta have some rest for the sake of being a human, right? Plus one more update that I gotta update you on, that I've got something to show you guys. um I don't know if this is gonna be possible to probably show over here, but this is my desk over here, and which I had shown you earlier, and I turned it into a whiteboard and made my little calendar over here so that I can keep track of all the you see, class tests. So I made it into a calendar. I've also got this over here, which is actually the list of what all chapters I'll be having. I'll just give you a tour of my desk setup actually. The because we are having the laptop on the move, so yeah, so it's just a little bit of motivation here and there. We've got more stuff that is to be done. It's my nameplate over here and the target for this year. And besides, we've got more motivation over here. We've got the OG periodic table, of course. I know this is a very weird angle to be speaking from, but yeah, today, today I figured out that I can lift my laptop up and use it as a vlogging camera. Although I know this footage is gonna be really unstable, but yeah. So that was it for class 10 right now. Class 10 is actually the most hectic class that I've ever done in my life. Like I'm gonna admit it publicly. I thought it was gonna be easy, and I'm still in the first month, and it's not treating me well. To be very honest. And yeah, so like take tomorrow's day for example. Look at the schedule. It's like back to back all lectures with nothing like no sort of leave. For example, we've got Marathi function, and if you think that we're gonna chill in that, nah, that's not what we do over there. They teach us 2 to 3 chapters in one go, and I don't know why do they think it's a good idea. Yeah, they do it. So that's our Marathi textbook. Although we're just gonna be studying 25% of it for the boards. Actually, it's gonna be conducted in the school, so it's no much of an issue. And besides, I'm a native Marathi speaker, so I don't need to study for it. But then again, the reason why I dropped Marathi is because of the fact that the notes of the Marathi are absolutely terrible in my school because they make you write literally everything. And sorry if you guys have been hearing the buzzing sound because it was because of my fan over there and it makes a lot of noise. It's basically a helicopter. So I just switched it off. I realized it just now. Okay, so now that I'm too lazy to switch off the live stream just for the sake of completing the packing, here it is what I'm gonna pack. So this has got biology over here. We've got what else do we have? We've got English, but English we don't need to write notes right now because the explanation for the Walk of Freedom, that's the Nelson Mandela's chapter, it's going on right now. So there's no need for notes. Yeah. Uh, Besides, we've got Marathi, we've got physics. Yeah, that day I completed entire notes for physics from Nikhil's notebook. This is my physics notebook I had shown you a couple days back. We've got physics over here. We've got Hindi. Hindi, I'm not carrying notebook because, okay, who's gonna carry it? Then we've got SST. So, social science currently we are doing with development if I'm not no power sharing. And I guess a lot of the chapters remaining, and we have not used the notebook since now, so I'm not gonna carry the notebook because guess what? I'm lazy. And we've got mathematics, of course, and mathematics book is on my table right now. As for the textbooks, we've got democratic politics because yeah, because we are doing civics, which is just a fancy name for civics. And by the way, how's the T-shirt? Lose your mind, find your soul. All right. Besides that, we've got what do we have got? English. So that's gonna be. I guess I kept it in the back. Yeah, I kept it in the back. Marathi, SST. Yeah, that's right. SST to it. And then the notebooks. Maths is remaining, right? And plus, for completing the reading of this thick ass book, I need to read at least 5 pages every day in order to complete it by the month of October, like August, October, something like that. So I need to read 5 pages every day. So that's what I've been doing since the last 3 days, reading 5 pages before going to bed. And yeah, it's like half of the things from AI is like you know it already, because the book is like They have set the name of the book to be artificial intelligence touchpad, whatever the fancy names they have given it. But actually, it's just 10% or not 10%, but rather 30% AI and 70% of random bullshit. Like apart from AI, they're teaching everything, like literally everything from English grammar, speaking skills, self management. I don't know what like they have included even the tiniest of things that even a toddler can learn about. So it's like they are just adding to burden of the kids that they are already having of the syllabus. As I showed you a few moments earlier, the kind of syllabus that we are having already is bad enough. Like we don't need anything much more to it to just add to our existing problems. But still, okay, we've got CBSE, right? What does CBSE do? What does it do? It adds problems to your life. Yeah, that's how CBSE works. And so that's all I've done with the flowchart. Although it's gonna be taking 2 pages and at least 45 minutes to complete, and it's 12 past 15 right now. So I'm just gonna wrap it up for today, and so that I can complete it, sleep in time, wake up in time, go to school in time, come back at time, and then record in time, and then go to bed in time again tomorrow to wake up in time. Yeah, that's the vicious cycle of my life, and I don't know why, but I'm slowly getting used to seeing my face in the camera, and it makes me feel, much less weird about my face because I don't know why, but I feel that I'm not. I used to feel that I look very weird, but I don't know why, but I'm just slowly and steadily getting over that feeling, even feeling confident with the glasses. So well, yeah, that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you're watching this, do go down to the comment section and let me know how it was. That I can know if I'm the only CBSE student who's mad with our schools because of the fact that they don't care the freaking shit about the students' life. They don't care a freaking shit about what are they doing in their life. What do they want to do in their life? I have an idea that maybe I should complete this entire thing while being on a live stream, while talking to you guys. And guess what? We'll just do that. I feel it's a great idea. Yeah, let's give it a shot. And I guess we are still streaming. Just a moment. That's my sister in the background. If you can see her plugging in the phone for charging, which you are quite used to seeing in the backdrop. So that's her turning on the switch and checking something on her phone. I really badly want to tell her to get the hell out of here, but I can't really do that. Can you live stream Salve? Yeah. Bye, guys. Uh, all right. So now we have to complete this entire thing, and believe me, it's giggles and shit until you get in 10th grade. Then you start to realize that okay, it's easier said than done. So let's get it done. Let's just freaking get it done for today, and let's settle it once and for all. So currently we are at by substitution method. We were asked to solve a question, and now we will move towards elimination method. Basically, what this is that it's summing up the chapter pairs of linear equations, uh, pairs of linear equations in two variables. So it's just summing up the entire chapter. So we've got the methods of solving it. So first it was by substitution. Now we are doing by elimination. So what is elimination? You solve one of the equation, you find the value for one of the variable and put it in another, and then you do it repeatedly, and then you get the final answer. Okay, so if we are gonna solve for this, that's the question. I wish I could share my screen over here. I guess I can do that. I don't know, but let's give it a shot. Share my screen. Um, Are you guys able to see that? Oh my god, you are. Yeah, that's so good. I'm finally able to share what I'm doing right now. So yeah, this is what I'm dealing with at the moment. If you guys can see over here the screen. So currently I am doing. Are you guys also able to see my cursor? Uh, no, you're not. No, you're not. Anyways, I really wanna close this chat window. Okay, yeah. So this is me doing the homework on live, and this is currently what we're going to be completing. You can see by elimination method over here, and so we are going to solve for x plus 3y is equal to 6. That's going to be our first equation. Then we've got 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. That is going to be our second equation. All right. So then adding, let's just wait for a quick snack. Just like that. And this is, we've got some uh, pumpkin seeds over here for the sake of some protein. It also helps in staying awake for long. And also giving you guys a little ASMR audio of me eating rather munching. Okay. So we've got adding equation 1 and 2. So we've got 3x is equal to 18 or x is equal to 6 because 6 threes are 18. Very good. Again, from for equation number 1 into 2 minus equation number 2, 3y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. That's our answer by elimination method. And we're gonna have it right besides the substitution method answer. So, okay, I need some Fevicol. Sorry for the audio experience. And okay, let's first paste it down because as I'm using sticky notes, they are just coming out from every side, which I don't feel like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it. Instead of seeing my face, oh shit, what happened to my camera? Why did my camera stop working? Just a second. I don't know if I'm even audible to you guys. Um, just wait a second. I don't know what's wrong with my camera at the moment. So you guys must be seeing a black screen. And I don't know why is that happening, but I feel there's some problem with the camera. So I'm just gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Um, if you're watching this, do go down to comment section and let me know how your day was. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.